go into TIAportal. These are all the programs that we can work upon. These are the previous programs. If you want to choose any, or if you want to create new, this is the new one. Lesson 1, I'm just giving it a name. This is the screen. After creating a project, this is the screen which comes after that. Here we have device configuration, where we can put different PLCs and HMIs according to our requirements. So let's go inside. Here we can go with the add new device. Here we have 1200, 1500, 300, 400 drive controllers, ET200, device and proxy. I'm just going in 1200. Just for our project I'm using 1200. According to my requirement I'm using this 4.6 as it has TCP IP. You can go further. No protection. This is the normal setting of the. Here we can add different. Here we can configure the device, and from here we can add different devices. If you want, we can add more inputs and outputs. As you can see here, we have all the type of inputs and outputs for Siemens. For program blocks, to program a PLC we need to go in the program blocks and then main OB. I'll just make a simple program in order to understand little bit about TIAportal, and we'll progress further as we go on with the different lessons. In this lesson I'm only working in main OB. Here we have two pumps, minimum level sensor and maximum level sensor, a mixer and a valve. The working of this is as simple as like when the liquid is below this minimum level sensor, it will start these two pumps. When they are started, they are gonna fill this tank till the liquid reaches this maximum level sensor. When it has reached, it will wait 7 seconds, and till that time this mixer will start. When this mixer will start, it will mix the inner liquid, and after 20 seconds this valve will open, which will further take this liquid from this container to the other part of the factory, and after that we can just switch it off through this stop button. For this simple program I'm just making the logic. First we need to put some tags. For the tags we can go here in PLC tags. We can add our new table. We can give it a name as well. lesson 1 tags. So we have this sensor as an input, this sensor as an input, stop as an input, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 outputs mean 2 pumps, 1 valve, and 1 mixer as an output. I'm taking this as I 0.0. We can also give it like sensor lower level and sensor higher level. We have stop as an input. Then we have outputs which are valve, we can change the outputs from here, Q 0.0. We have pump 1 and pump 2 as an output. And we have mixer as an output. So let's go in the main program. We just need to give it simple memory bit. That's not a big deal. You can give any memory which is available. Here I'm taking level 1 or lower level. So as the logic you can see, this is a set reset flip flop. So this only works if like this is when this is set. So it will give output as a 1 to pump 1 and pump 2, and when this is reset it will give 0 at Q. So if I'll trigger this, if this is normally closed, that means if level sensor of the lower level is not triggered, it will switch on these 2 pumps, and if the level of higher sensor is switched on, it will reset these 2 pumps. Now let's go towards the network 2. After the liquid has reached the higher level sensor, it will trigger the mixer on after 7 seconds, as you can see here. So when this is on, we'll go with the next. When the mixer is on, it will be on for 7 seconds. When this is on for 7 seconds, we need to switch on the valve. As you can see here, when this mixer is on, we need to switch on the valve after 7 seconds. So let's build this logic for that. The extended timer. When the mixer is on for 7 seconds, it will set the valve on. And this will be reset once the liquid has reached the minimum level sensor or the lower level sensor. Or when the stop button is pressed. Once this is on, it should stop the mixing. So I need to put one logic here as well. Just putting it here to look at so that it looks a bit neater. Here let's add 1200. That's already added. So we'll go here. This is bad table. We need to import these things. Now let's download it to the PLC. Let's see if we can find it. Yes, we can find it. Let's connect it. module and finished. We have 0 error. Hopefully we have not made any mistake in the logic. Yes, this is all on. Let's come here, load everything inside this. Here we are. Let's monitor. As you can see, Q1 and Q2, pump 1 and pump 2 are on here because the low level sensor is off. So Q1 and Q2 are on. Once it has reached level H, that means this is stopped and this is on. When this is on, when the liquid has reached upper limit, after 7 seconds it has triggered the mixer, and mixer after 7 seconds after 7 seconds it will switch on this thing